Are you looking for something that's affordable in a quiet, safe area? Then I got something to show you. Let's check it out. Before we step inside, you'll notice we walk through this newly fenced-in private courtyard. It has mature trees that provide plenty of shade for your outdoor living space, maybe a barbecue grill, or even a kid's play set. And there's a bonus. There's an outside storage area. This 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhouse features 1,182 square feet, perfect for a first-time home buyer or a family just getting started. You'll notice this large living space has hardwood flooring. The whole unit has been freshly painted, lots of wall space to put a flat screen TV, even more room to do a large sectional that overlooks your outdoor patio, and you can even put a small home office or homework area in the corner by the stairs. Just off of the living area, over here to the right of the entry, is your half bath. Perfect for guests if you're entertaining, and there's also your laundry setup in there and storage. Then over here, as you flow through to your left, is your dining area. You can put a dining room table in here, foosball table, pool table, or you could just do some nice stools with your breakfast bar. Off of the dining room, you'll notice your nice galley kitchen. It features large storage with these nice slide-out drawers, granite countertops, your dual undermount sink, as well as stainless steel appliances. Upstairs is where you'll find your secondary bedroom and your primary, which we are standing in right now. You'll notice it has the hardwood flooring throughout, like downstairs, and has enough space for a king-size bed and its furniture. The primary bedroom closet also has built-ins, a custom shoe wall, and a safe. Now we're in the secondary bedroom, which you could add bunk beds, a desk to make an office, but the best thing is it has its own bathroom, so no one has to leave the room in the middle of the night. So I asked the current owners, why would you want to move here? And also, what did you like about living here? And this is what they had to say. Courtyard Village 1 offers a peaceful environment ideal for families or those seeking a quiet suburban retreat away from busier city areas. There are plenty of organized events and activities for residents, promoting a strong sense of community. The shared amenities allow for socializing and a healthy, active lifestyle. The proximity to George Gerber Park was a highlight, offering nearby space for outdoor activities, relaxation, and recreation, making it easy to enjoy the outdoors with family and friends. There are also several other parks and trails in the area, including Butterfly World and Tradewinds Park. The closeness to essential services like grocery stores and recreational spaces stood out, making everyday life comfortable and hassle-free. The sense of being a part of a community that was safe, with great neighbors, was ideal. Courtyard Village 1 is a small community known for offering a suburban, nature-oriented lifestyle with many nearby parks, green spaces, trails, and lakes. As part of the larger township community in Coconut Creek, residents have access to a variety of exclusive amenities, including a fitness center, pools, tennis courts, and recreational spaces. The community fosters an active, outdoor-friendly atmosphere. The area is located near highly rated schools and offers quick access to shopping centers, restaurants, and entertainment hubs, including the promenade at Coconut Creek. This makes it convenient for families and individuals alike. If you want to see this unit or have any questions, give me a call or shoot me a text. My information's below. And remember, I'm friendly.